Oh, this is so cute. And I've got my peppers on it. Let's see, you just add it into the planter and then weave your plants around it. So now, here's my other one. And I've got quite a bit of plant, quite a bit of tomato vine. And I'm not quite sure how to untangle. However, this trellis is much, much better, and I like that it has our little butterfly designs on here. So, I'm going to see what I can do to untangle this a little bit better, but it does really provide you with a good amount of trellis, especially for potted plants, like so. And it comes with garden ties.